guys, welcome back into my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you my walk through the Borisov's garden in the middle of the heat wave that was about 2 weeks ago. Let's walk across the Borisov's garden. The route I'm going to show you today is going to lead us to Loven Park, or the hunting park, and after this I'm going to visit the nearest Irish pub to quench my thirst with a pint of Guinness. The park was absolutely empty during the heat wave. Even the turtles in the lake were hiding. For those who don't know, this garden was named after Tsar Boris III. And this is actually the beginning of the park. There are two favorite spots in the park. I love the flowers. Actually, this time the park looks good. The Borisov's garden is the oldest and most popular recreation place for the citizens of Sofia. It was established in 1884 and it was designed by a Swiss gardener. My favorite spots to hang out in the park are the rose garden and the lake with the lilies. This is the so-called rosarium. On the internet it says there should be more than 2000 types of roses in the rosarium, but as you can see there are hardly any roses. Maybe the heat has something to do with it. The garden without roses is still a beautiful place to visit, but I hope they can plant some more flowers soon. From a distance, it seemed that the water lilies did not flower, but when I approached the lake, I saw that there were a lot of lilies, but they were hiding in the shade of their own leaves. The lake has a long history starting in 1880s, and as a matter of fact, it has existed even before the opening of the park. In the past, the lake was home to red koi fish and water lilies, but it was better known for the koi rather than the lilies. Nowadays, the lake is home to toads and turtles. Let's walk towards the Russian monument. This time I will not focus on the monuments, but if you are interested in them, I will share the link of my previous video. I'm starving because I'm currently doing intermittent fasting, so I haven't had any food in 20 hours. I only had a cup of coffee this morning and I want to go into an Irish pub here in Sofia. As you can see, I've been feeling nostalgic today. I'm wearing my Dublin t-shirt. And for those who don't know, I lived in Ireland for almost 8 years, and the reason I came back to Bulgaria is to take care of my father, who is 85. This is the observatory of the Sofia University. It's actually one of the interesting places to visit, but I think they are currently doing some reconstruction. This underpass will lead us to Loven Park, the hunting park in English. It looks more like a continuation of Borisov's garden, but it's a bit more noisy due to the proximity to the boulevard. So these are the birds of Sofia. We have hawfinch, greenfinch, robin, sterling. Loven Park is known for the tennis club of the siblings Maleevi. They used to be really famous tennis players in the past. Time to go back into the Borisov's garden. This abandoned swimming pool breaks my heart. It was called Maria Luisa and it was one of the most popular swimming pools during the 80s. I remember coming here as a kid and now I feel a bit sad to see it like this. Just across, you can see Maimunarnica, or the Monkey Place in English. This is an open-air venue and summer event location in the heart of Borisov's garden. I wasn't planning to talk about monuments, but I saw the flowers. This is the monument of our national hero, Vasil Levski, and in July we celebrated 186 years since his birth. After enjoying the beauty and tranquility of Borisov's garden, I decided to spice things up and head over to Tom's Place, a cozy Irish pub in the heart of the city. The moment I walked in, I felt the atmosphere of a modern Irish pub. The owner is Irish and his wife is Bulgarian, and I can definitely see the fusion between the two cultures in the decor. The venue is something between a pub, a wine bar, and a gallery, and I find it pretty cool. Unfortunately, they don't serve food at this time of the day, but look what I've got. To all my Irish friends, slonche. I missed the chance to try any of the Irish dishes this time, but I hope to come back and join the Irish crowd for some food, Guinness and live music.